Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Welcome back to another Planning Monday, and apparently my planning is not where it really needs to be. Would you believe I recorded this entire video and then realized, oh, I have no audio? And it wasn't because I did anything wrong with my OBS, it's because I actually had my mic muted from a previous Zoom call I had been on with my in-laws. Anyway, at this point I'm just showing you my last week's planner. I did go ahead and fill in all the fun things that I did on my channel last week. I've got, let me grab it out so I can read that off. So last week, we had our Planning Monday on Monday. That was my planning Q&A with Elizabeth. And then on Tuesday, we played with some artistry. And here I'm showing you the keychain that I made. I'm going to be mailing that off to one of my crafty friends. Anyway, we did the crafting with artistry on Tuesday with Elizabeth and Bethany, and that was using the artistry products. And don't forget, there is that artistry giveaway. I'm going to be announcing the winner for that tomorrow night on tomorrow night's live, so be sure to tune in for that. On Wednesday, I gotten in the parts to fix my Platinum 6. Basically the platform piece that folds up no longer would fold up, so they sent me the parts and I was able to get that fixed, and I wanted to share with you guys how to do that. Then on Thursday and Friday, I was testing out that new YouTube redirect feature where a YouTuber can, from their live stream, be able to basically have everyone follow the live stream to another person over there. So let's say we were doing a live stream or a premiere right now. I could have you go, okay, I could redirect everyone at the end of my live to another channel. But in order to do that, you do have to give me permission on your YouTube studio. So if you need some help figuring out how to do that, please let me know. I do plan on making a video for that in the next couple of weeks. Hopefully everything will be straightened out with YouTube, because they, of course, since it's brand new, it is a little glitchy. Anyway, I was playing with that on Thursday and Friday, and do have a couple of people set up for that, so that is awesome. Then on Saturday, Saturday we had a Saturday I had a hop with Not Too Shabby, which was the Coffee No Me hop. There is a giveaway for that, so be sure to go check out those videos. And we also had Rainbow Hello cards, and those were super fun too. Then yesterday on Sunday, I had released another Spellbinders video, and that one was the one I've got titled as You Have Me in Stitches, so be sure to check out all of the fun. So what I did not have listed anywhere on my planner was the new my card of the month, my card kit of the month video, and that is with that cute koala. So that I actually released last night. Let me go ahead and get started on this next week. I've already got a bunch of stuff in there that I am actually planning ahead of time and planning to get done this week. I am almost caught up, thank goodness, with all of the stuff I fell behind on because I was sick. I am using these sticker guides for my Happy Planner to plan everything out. And to start off with, I'm going to add some washi tape on here. I think at this point I'm just going to have some music playing because I really don't remember what I was saying as I was planning all this stuff out. I used some washi tape, I used some stickers, and I used a few pieces of ephemera, and this turned out to be a pretty cute spread. So I am going to speed this up and tell you a little bit about what I've got planned for the next week. You guys know I'm still running behind because of that cold, and got a lot done this week, which is great. So today, excuse me, today we are doing our planning video. Tomorrow I have another live stream. Tomorrow on Tuesday night we have a live stream where Amanda Stevens from Pear Blossom Press is going to be with us, and we are going to be making some light up cards. I met her at Creativation, and she is such a sweet person. I am so excited to have her on my channel tomorrow night. So be sure to be here for that. Then this is my plan. I'm probably going to switch up what days things actually happen on, but this is what I am going to try to get done. On Wednesday, I'm planning on doing the Amazing Paper Grace video. That is the one with that cute 3D pop-up stove. That is going to be so much fun. I've got the mini shapes that I need to get done. That's probably going to be on Thursday. I've got a rose on Friday, and then I've got a couple of different cards with some cover plates that are going to be really fun that I'm also planning to do on Saturday. Another thing I'm planning on doing on Saturday, because it is the 14th of the month, is doing an unboxing for the May collection. That is going to be super fun. There are some so cute things in there. I get so excited over these different collections. You guys are going to love it, so you don't want to miss the unboxing. That's going to be on Saturday. If you have a preferred time, because I have not decided on the time, it's probably going to be 11 or 12 a.m., 11 a.m. or noon. So let me know what your thoughts are on that down in the comments. I'd appreciate that. And then I still have a couple more cards to make with the pie set. You remember that I made that one pie card back almost a month ago. I can't believe this month has gone by so fast. So that is the plan for that. Now, I'm not going to tell you the things that are going to be in the collection for May, but you're going to want to check that out on Saturday when we do that unboxing. It's going to be so much fun. Well, this is going to finish up this video. You guys have a wonderful day, and remember, if I can plan it, you can too.